Hello everyone, I'm Tasia from Linbay Machinery. Linbay Machinery is a roll forming machine manufacturer from China. And today, I'd like to introduce this track roll forming machine. This track roll forming machine produces track profiles of standard sizes of Chile Metalcon. The thickness is 0.85 mm and 0.5 mm. The width is 62 mm and 92 mm. So in this machine, we can produce two different sizes of track profiles. On this production line, we have the manual decoiler, the roll forming machine, and the flying cut unit. If you are interested, please keep watching. At the beginning of the track roll forming machine production line, we have a manual decoiler, and after the decoiler, this is the most important part, the roll forming machine. At the feeding part of the roll forming machine, we have two hand wheels to adjust the width of the feeding part, because in this case we need to produce two different sizes of profiles with a width of 62 mm and 92 mm. So we need to adjust the feeding width together. And on this machine, on the first station, we have the coolant sprayer. The coolant sprayer can spray coolant fluid to the steel, because in this case we're using the galvanized steel. So it's very important to protect the zinc coating on the steel. On this machine, we have to produce two different sizes of profiles. So we need to change spacers. These are the spacers on each roller stations. When we change the position, first we need to loosen the lock ring and then remove the position of the spacers. We can produce different sizes of the width. And inside the roll forming machine, we have many guide rollers to ensure the steel always stays centered. All the rollers are chrome-plated to ensure long service time. Totally, we have 10 forming stations on the roll forming machine. The structure of the roll forming machine is cast iron support and driven by chain. It's a very efficient setup of the roll forming machine, and it's a very good option for clients to produce drywall profiles. On this machine, we have the encoder for measuring the length of the profiles. When the profile reaches the cutting length, the machine can cut automatically. And before cutting, we have a correct head. When we're producing long profiles like 6 meters or 12 meters, it's very necessary to use a correct head to ensure the straightness of the profiles. Finally, we have the flying hydraulic cutting unit. The flying system can ensure the high speed of the cutting, and it means when we realize the cut, the roll forming machine doesn't need to stop, so it's very fast. And we can see the cutting blade. On this cutting blade, there are two different sizes of profile. It means we can cut two different sizes of profiles using one blade. It's a very economical option for clients. We use the servo motor to supply power to the flying cutting. Servo motor can ensure the precision of position and the high speed of the moving. That's all about the track roll forming machine. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us by the phone number and the email at the top right corner. Linbay Machinery offers the best after-sales service to our clients, and we have foreign engineers to provide service to the clients in your factory. We also provide installation video and the instruction manual after we ship the roll forming machine. See you next time. Bye bye.